Good evening everyone. Good evening. So as we are meeting first time, so first of all I need to introduce myself. So let's begin with my introduction. Hello everyone, I am Sakshi Thakre and I have completed my graduation in BSc Biotechnology from JB College of Science Varda, and here I am the student of Persistent Spoken English and Personality Development. So as you have joined the Persistent and became the part of our family, so I would like to ask you one question guys. There must be something very solid reason behind joining the Persistent, am I right?
Yes.
Because that reason made you to take this big decision. The decision to upgrade yourself, the decision to break that barrier which is stopping you to reach to your goal. Similarly, I have also so many reasons behind joining the Persistent. But one reason I would like to tell you is that in my final year, there was a seminar competition organized by our biotechnology department, and somehow I dared to participate in that competition. But I was feeling very afraid to explain my presentation in English in front of everyone. But my finally chance came and I started to explain my presentation, but I still don't know what I had explained in that seminar. And after, in the end, I said them sorry, I can't continue anymore, just because I had feared of stage handling and to speak in English in front of everyone. But I always wanted to become a speaker, and I consider myself as a good listener, and according to me, if you are a good listener, then you can also be a good speaker. And after that incident, one thing which I decided that day, to not go on stage ever in life. But before 4 to 5 months ago, one of my friends suggested me about Persistent and our Afsar sir, and I visited the class and inquired about everything, but my parents were not ready that time just because of high fees, so I took my steps back. But after 1 month, I don't know what magic happened, I received a message from institute that new batch is going to start. So, and when I read that message was continuously roaming in my mind whole day, and somehow I convinced myself again and I started to attending demo classes, and by the grace of God my parents had also convinced by me. In spite of that, I was still thinking, is this really possible to speak in English in 3 to 4 months? Is this really possible to speak in English 3 to 4 months? And that time I was not answerable to myself, even myself. But now I can answer myself and proudly to everyone that yes, it is possible to speak in English in 3 to 4 months. Because I know guys what are you feeling right now. Once upon a time, one of my senior was standing here and speaking in English, and I was sitting there and thinking that will I be able to speak like this anymore? Will I be able to speak like this anymore? And the answer is standing in front of you guys. And the last and the most important point I want to tell you is that there is a big advantage of English language. Ask me how. Let's take an example of our Afsar sir. There is a one thing which sir says daily, that if you don't have the capacity to work hard, then don't come to the class. If you don't have the capacity to work hard, then don't come to the class. Is it sounding normal? Yes. Can anyone translate this in Hindi? Anyone? Okay, no problem. I will tell you how it will sound in Hindi. How it will exact sound in Hindi. It is that मेहनत करने की औकात ना होना तो क्लास में आना ही मत. ठीक है? Are you getting my point? What I am trying to tell you? Because this is the exact translation of that sentence, and this is the big advantage of English language, that if you are shouting at anyone or yelling at anyone, it will still sound polite, gentle and non-aggressive. And the last thing is that if ever any thought comes in your mind to bunk the class for a single day, just remember about your parents' struggle. Just remember about your parents. And if you are not serious about your career, then there is no need to waste your parents' money and no need to waste your precious time. But if you are really serious about your career, then buddy, you have to work hard on yourself. And if you desperately want to see the new transformation of yourself in a completely new version, that I personally like to give name is myself 2.0 version, that you can also give to yourself. And I wish you all the best for your upcoming challenges that you are going to face in your future life, and I hope you like my words. Thank you so much.